Put your foot down.
That's a break.
You're away.
Oh, she's chewing on your finger.
Yep.
Once you put her, it's okay. Put her down with the others. I want to video her down there.
Molly, come here. Come here, Molly. Hi. Hi.
She gonna start wrestling. She's like, ah, just wrestle with me.
What's your paw on me?
That's so funny. So I'm still following her, right? Is she like up by the board over here? Now she just turned around and sit down. Is that her? Point her so I know for sure I'm following the right puppy.
That one's the little one.
That's, no, not that female, hon, the other one. I think she's in the back. No, the back. Is this her right here?
This is her right here.
Where? Are you sure?
Yeah.
This isn't her? Okay, there's the females.
Skinny mini. Skinny mini Molly. Oh.
Funny. So, that's the female that just crawled over that lighter one, right?
Yeah.
Point at her for me, Logan. Exactly. Okay, I want to make sure. That puppy's going to crawl out. Do you have that other board, Chandler?
Yeah.
Oh. They're like tackling each other.